My name's Stuart Morley. I'm a musical director and orchestrator. My top 3 tips for a student in training are, firstly, be brave. Don't sit and make magnolia choices, make bold choices and paint with bold colours, and that will read really well on a big stage. Tip number 2, rise to the challenges. You're going to face lots of things that are going to make you think differently about stuff, and it's easy to get bogged down in those, so don't. Rise above them, listen to what's been said to you, process that, take a bit of time to think about it, and then move forward. Tip number 3 when you're training is never lose sight of the end. Remember why you went into this process at the start and think what it was that inspired you to want to be a musical theatre performer. Remember that experience that made you go, that's what I want to do. And when you get bogged down and when the whole world feels it's on top of you, you've got too many things to do, just take a step back, remind yourself about your love of theatre. My top 3 tips for auditioning are, firstly, make sure you prepare. A dear friend of mine said, fail to prepare, prepare to fail. Tip number 2, make sure your music is right. Make sure it's the right cut, the right edit, and make sure it's on nice paper that's not going to fall down when the pianist tries to play it. Or in one of those folders with lots of plastic wallets where they get a glare on it and you can't see the notes anymore. Tip number 3, be nice to everybody and don't make any assumptions. I have a director friend who sits on the door and signs people in so that he gets a feel of how people are when they walk into the room and walk into the building. And then he goes to sit on the panel as the director. So you never know who is where, and just be nice to everyone. Why not?